Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to change spark plug for Proton Persona CamPro engine. Now each of these spark plug comes with a gap. I use the standard carbon spark plug, where each of them that I got from the store are supposed to have the same gap. But then to be sure, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this spark plug gauge. The front side measures inches, flip the other side, it measures millimeter. So what happened, I'm going to measure the gap, and I've got to make sure every one of them will be roughly 0.04 inch, which correspond to about 1.05, slightly about 1.05. Okay, I hope you can see it from there. So to start off with, what I'm going to do, I need an 8mm socket. Okay, because I need to first remove this cover. Okay, let me put it aside. So first, there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've previously removed this one, so there's left this one. Turn around. 2, 3, and the 4th one. Then I use a magnet to collect all the nut. Then only I remove the cover. So what happened next is I'm going to remove the clip, followed by the wire. Then there's a nut holding each of this boot. I'm going to change one by one. I doesn't want to take out everything at once. Now, before you remove the spark plug or spark plug fluid, be sure the area around here is free from any dust. So you may want to use a cloth or maybe some paper to actually wipe off the sand. I don't have air line. You don't want to have any sand to fall onto your chamber. Okay, then followed by the removal of the clip, because the second one is being blocked by the first one. So what happened, you got to remove the wire. So in order to do that, clip onto it, pull it out straight. To remove the clip, pull straight up, pull straight up, grip, and then pull straight out and away. Okay, so this is how you do it. Then it's secured by using 8mm. So I have 8mm socket. Straight to remove the clip, pull straight up, pull straight up, grip, and then pull straight out and away. Okay, so this is how you do it. Then it's secured by using 8mm. So I have 8mm socket. I hope you can see it. Yeah, it's 8mm. Then you got to change it one by one instead of change everything at once. So I'm going to remove the wire. Okay, 3, 4. Okay, each of the wire has its own length. Then you may proceed with the change of removal of the spark plug one at a time. This one followed by the second one, so on and so forth. I mean, this is one of the 8mm nut. Okay, secure, and it's here just now. Put it aside, and then you should use a torchlight and look into the hole. Now if you have checked the hole in there, if you look into the hole and there's no residue left over, then we can do next to use a 16mm spark plug socket with a holder so that the spark plug will be extract from the hole to remove the spark plug. Give it a twist and then it should be removed from there. I've made a video shown up there probably on how to remove the residue. So I've previously changed the first one, now proceed to the second one. I've removed the nut. So what happened, I wiggle it a little bit, then I pull it up straight. And this one look pretty nice. Still. And then what happened, I use a torchlight. Okay, I got to look into the hole to check if there's any carbon or any stuck rubber. Apparently it's clear. If in the event there are any rubber stuck onto it, you may click onto the link up there. I will show you how to remove the stuck rubber. Then what happens, you use a 16mm spark plug removal socket because there's a holder in there, and then so tight. So what happened, I need to increase the moment arm. I use a long socket and then wow, it's really tight. To break loose it, I should have applied anti-seize. This is what happened. The spark plug is made of metal, but the engine made by aluminium. Metal, aluminium, they have different thermal expansion. It doesn't come out. So what happened, I use a long nose plier to pull it out. And it is all rusted. So it's good to apply anti-seize. Wow, luckily I still managed to open it. This is the Iridium spark plug, I believe. It has been there for almost 2 years. I'm not going to do this time. I'm going to use carbon spark plug, standard carbon spark plug. I will definitely apply anti-seize over the thread and then dielectric grease over the head. So I have installed the new spark plug back with anti-seize. Then by close inspection, I think this is about to crack soon. So meaning the next change, which is about 20,000 kilometers later, because I use a carbon, standard spark plug carbon. So I think it's about time to change this piece as well. It cost me 100 ringgit per piece. Right? So before I put in some dielectric grease, just tiny bit back into the metal contact. To the inner wall, not onto the plastic, but I want to apply onto the contact point. Now I hope you can see it. There's a hole in there. To remove the residue. Okay, apply some of it and then place it back into position. Let it fall straight down. Give a push, followed by dielectric grease onto the second connector. I squeeze some, make sure they are not connected, or else I will have a short circuit. Then I place it back into position and it's all good to go. So I should use anti-seize. It's really hard to break it loose, and then 16mm socket for spark removal, so that the spark plug would stick at the socket. Oh, Okay, I'm going to show you that it's actually a rubber bush so that the spark plug will stick there. The rest of the procedure will be the same, so I'm not going to repeat it. You should do the same. So once I've placed back into position, I'm going to apply dilute grease onto the contact point at individual contact point. You don't want to cross it. Okay, then only I put it back, followed by the clip, push in the position. All right, followed by the 8mm nut, then hand tight it. Should be good to go. Okay, once I remove all four and I put back the cover and start the engine.